Take out English literature book, How the Turtle Got Its Shell, page 81. Today we will do the word meanings and question answers. Okay? Okay children, the first word is sneeze. What do you mean by the word sneeze? Raise your hands. No, first I will ask, then I will tell you to write. First tell me the answer. Agrima. 81, page number 81 in book. Agrima, what is the meaning of sneeze?
1 minute, ma'am. आपकी आवाज clear नहीं आती.
What? Yes. What is the meaning of sneeze?
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, beta, go. Agrim.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of word sneeze? Yes, Agrim.
Yes, ma'am.
Aviraj.
Ma'am, आपकी बात
Agrima, there is noise in your device, na beta? Noise is coming from your device.
Ma'am, आपकी बात
Word is sneeze. Okay. What is the meaning of the word sneeze? Aviraj. Devjot.
Ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am,
Yes, page 81. Yes, Abdullah. What is?
Page number 81 पे वो the sea turtle वाला. How the turtle.
Yes, beta. We will do question answer. There are 3 word meanings now.
Page number 81 पे ये है. Yes, ma'am. आपको book में तो ये सब लिखा है. आप कहाँ से पूछ रहे हैं?
Word meaning. You don't know about word meaning, beta. Musa.
मैंने करे.
Okay. Wait, one by one. I will ask Musa. Tell the meaning of the word sneeze.
To send air out of nose and mouth with a nose without control.
With a noise.
Control.
With a noise without control. Very good, very good. Sneeze means to send air out of nose and mouth with a noise without control. Okay?
मैम आप तुम लोग को पेज 83 करवा दूँ मैम.
I am doing word meanings and then we will do question answers. That's why I have told you to open the book. Okay, beta? Yes. What do you mean by polite?
To show good manners to others.
Yes, to show good manners to others. Manners, what do you mean by manners?
The way we behave with others.
Yes, the way we behave with others. Okay. When you will get your copy, you will learn these 3 word meanings. Children, already exams are going to come, you know now. So you all will learn the exercises from the book because copy is submitted now. Now tell me one by one from the book I am asking. Aditri. The turtle and the snail lived in dash.
Ma'am, please repeat.
The turtle and the snail lived in dash.
Options.
A lake, a pond, an ocean.
Ma'am,
An ocean. Okay, beta. Ayush, Agrima, mute your microphone. Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
The turtle was strong, weak, lazy.
Ma'am, leak.
Weak. Okay, beta. Abdullah. Abdullah.
Ma'am, आप मुझसे पूछिए.
Wait, Agrima. Wait for your chance. Mute your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah. Tell me. The snail was proud of his speed, shell, face.
Ma'am, shell.
Shell. Okay, beta. Agrim.
Okay, ma'am.
Agrim.
Yes, ma'am.
The shark was huge, small, sad.
Huge.
Huge. Okay. Agrima.
Yes, ma'am.
The snail was saved by the shell, shark, turtle.
Turtle.
Turtle. Yes, the snail was saved by the turtle. Okay. Alisba.
Yes, ma'am.
Who said these words? Look at my pretty shell.
Ma'am, snail.
The snail. Okay. Amaira.
Yes, ma'am.
Who said these words? Help me. Help me.
To see snail.
The sea snail. Okay, beta.
The sea snail.
Okay. Athar Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Who said these words? Thank you, my friend.
The sea snail.
Okay. Your ma'am has told you to write sea snail. You will write the sea snail. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, next is after Atharva is Aviraj. Yes, Aviraj. Aviraj. Devyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Who said these words? I will give you my shell.
The snail. The turtle.
No.
The sea snail.
Yes.
The sea snail.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Next is Devjot.
Yes,
Devjot.
ma'am. Ma'am.
Who said these words, Devjot? We shall be friends forever.
Sea turtle.
Yes. Sea turtle. Okay, beta. Next is on.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In each row, circle two words. Come to children, page number 83. Page 83.
Okay, ma'am. Well. Ma'am, I have opened.
In each row, circle the two words that mean the same as the highlighted word. So, huge word is given here. It has two meanings. Very small, very large, very big.
Very loud. Very loud.
Very large and very big. Okay. Agrima, you will not open your microphone, beta. Okay? When I will ask you, then only you will open. Any doubt, then only ask me. Next is, after Zan, is Lavya. Lavya. Manvi. Yes, easy word is given. It has two meanings. Simple, clear, hard. So which one you will circle? Simple, clear, hard.
Simple.
Simple. And one more meaning.
Easy. मैम आप मुझसे भी पूछिए.
What is the meaning of easy? Simple है और कौन सा meaning बेटा इसका? What is the other meaning? Clear, hard. Three options are there ना. You have to tell two meanings according to question.
Okay, ma'am.
So simple is the meaning and easy means simple and clear. Okay. Musa, fast, quick, slow, swift.
Quick and swift.
Quick and swift. Fast means quick and swift. Okay. Then after Musa is Naman. Afraid. Afraid. Afraid means brave, scared, frightened.
Frightened. Great.
Scared. Frightened and scared. Naman.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy means sad, glad, cheery.
Very glad.
Glad. Okay. Now, Pavki. Match each word with its meaning. Okay, you have to match the word with its meaning. So, first word is bottom. In these options A, B, C, D, E, which is the answer of bottom? What is the meaning of the word bottom? Pavki?
Ma'am, which page number?
83 page number beta. Page number 83.
B.
B1 jump suddenly. Bottom का मतलब होता है jump suddenly to catch someone. What do you mean by the word bottom? The hard yes,
Something.
the lowest part of something. Okay. Sanvi, proud. What is the meaning of proud?
Happy.
Proud means feel happy for something good that you have done. Okay. Proud means feel happy for something good that you have done. Okay. Then next is Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah. Tell me. Shell. What is the meaning of the word shell?
Make a loud
No. I'm not asking scream. I'm asking shell. Shell. Turtle का जो shell होता है ऊपर का वो that about that I'm asking. What is it? The hard cover of an animal.
The hard cover of an animal.
Yes, Lavya. Aviraj.
Yes.
Yes, Lavya. Tell me the meaning of the word pounds. 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 Which option is correct for pounds? Pounce means to jump suddenly to catch someone. Jump suddenly to catch someone. Devyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Meaning of the word scream. Meaning of the word scream.
Ma'am, I am.
Devjot.
Yes, ma'am.
What What is the meaning of the word screen? See the options and tell which one is the correct one. Make a loud
Make a loud
sound. Yes, this is the meaning of the word screen. Children, again you will revise this chapter, word meanings. Okay, I will be asking the next class.
Mom, आप मुझसे नहीं पूछूंगी.
You want to tell what? Yes, Agrima. Tell me the meaning of the word proud, Agrima.
Proud का meaning होता है मैम feel happy for something good that you have done.
Okay, okay. Now, close your English literature books. Take out your maths book.